Hello, welcome back to the Happy Hut. It's not the warmest day in the world today. I'm Neil and I help high-achieving creators and performers just like you, high five, to get ideas out of your head and out onto here on YouTube to make the world happy. But the hardest thing that I find here on YouTube is gaining subscribers. And I'm taking a wild and crazy guess that that might be a problem for you too. I'm going to share with you a little something that might get you 1 or 2 extra subscribers. And it's this little link that you can put in the description for your videos where you can say, click here to subscribe. When you click on the link, it takes you directly to a subscribe button for your YouTube channel. I don't know why YouTube still places a great weight on subscribers. Years ago, you had to actually subscribe to a YouTube channel to be able to be offered their videos. Now, YouTube offers us videos from channels that we watch without us needing to subscribe to them. But, as you know, YouTube doesn't release features without, say, 500 subscribers to get community posts, 1,000 subscribers for the precious monetization. That might be something that you're aiming for right now. You need 10,000 subscribers to get YouTube stories and 100,000 to get a play button. I've got a play button, but it was made by my son for 1,000 subscribers. That's the brown play button. But just think, one day we might even be able to get to hold one of these. It was all a dream. But back to our massively successful YouTube channels and back to this magical link where you can put it in your description right now, and when a viewer clicks on the link, it magically takes them to this window where they can subscribe to your channel with just one click. Hopefully it might get us some more subscribers. Would you like one of these links? Excellent choice. It's very simple. Just copy the text that's on screen now, or funnily enough, it's down in the description for this video, and it's youtube.com. You don't need to type in the https:// youtube.com/@your handle ? sub_confirmation=1. And obviously where it says your handle, don't type in the words your handle. That's where you put in your actual YouTube handle. It's a new thing that YouTube has introduced where everyone gets their own unique YouTube name. And if you want to change your handle or your YouTube name before doing this, I've made a video all about it right here. Let me know if you get one of these for your channel down in the comments below, and thank you if you hit the thumbs up button or the subscribe button, and maybe one day we will all get that diamond play button.